You got about 15 minutes on
15 minutes. Attention in the pit. We're gonna close the concession stands in about 15 minutes. God, 1967 Chevy Camaro. Irregular motor. This ain't no normal motor in this.
I didn't hit their ass, man.
Oh, look pretty good looking, Willie.
Hey, what you like that? You like paint?
Got one of them cars that when you rev it in park, it still moves. Yeah, pain freak. The concession stands are now
Hey, for 50 and up. Just chill.
For real?
Pop in the game.
I made some more improvements on the small block. No, left lane one. Huh?
I love this G-body.
You like this G-body?
Yeah.
That's a good G-body, ain't it? That's a good G-body, man.
I got you Monte Carlo.
You like Monte Carlo?
You got about 15 minutes on
15.
You got about 15 minutes on
15 minutes.
We're gonna close the concession stand on
close.
the pit side in about 15 minutes.
Attention in the pit. We're gonna close the concession stands in about 15 minutes. Got about 15 minutes. And we're gonna have the Nitrous G-body. We're gonna have the Nitrous G-body, guys. Alrighty, guys, we got... Bead locks.
They got something right that time, boy. That thing not doing something.
For real.
Okay, here go the race right here, y'all. LT in the right lane. Even Reyes in the left lane.
That's LC truck.
Yeah, that's LT.